All right, cousin. Y'all know I got another Flip package. Yes, I did. Okay, so on Flip, this Instamop is the most amazing product that I could ever receive. I'm gonna be honest with you. After being homeless and losing all of your stuff, in order to rebuild your house, we had to get a mop from Dollar Tree, and of course, you know, it's not, we were grateful for it, but it broke real quick because the stick broke in half. So we needed a mop. So I went on Flip and I had some Flip cash that I earned from people supporting me and everything. So I used my creator earnings and I cashed it in to use my Flip cash to get this Instamop. Lo and behold, I also got a second one. So yeah, I don't know how that happened. But anyway, this mop is so compact, you can take it apart and it becomes the mop water and the dryer. If you can connect them together. And once you push down on it, it's going to spin to naturally get all of the water and whatever your mixture is all saturated on the mop. Then you put it on the other side to not have it so soppy wet. It spin dries it, which is so cool. This is universal for the entire family. The mom, the dad, and even, you're going to love this, even the children can be able to use it. Yes. Get you an Instamop today. This is all human friendly. Go ahead and join me on Flip.